Sana ganito lagi, no? I just know, you and I, ganito lagi.
Malala na po ba yung sakit ko?
I'm sorry to break the bad news, Mr. Mariano, but we found a tumor in your brain. Ito yung cause nung madalas na pagsakit ng ulo mo. Prioritize spending quality time with your loved ones.